Come on, Mace.
Baby's first Christmas. What is that, Sissy?
She's watching the TV.
What is that? Don't look at the TV. Hey, Mace. Mace, look at all the presents. Look at all the presents.
You're right, she's laughing.
Sissy.
Mason, what is that?
Ooh, that's a chair. Uh-oh. Come on, Bubba.
I think they're marked so they don't know why the gate's not there.
Where's the gate?
Where's your present?
Yours is down there too, buddy.
Right in front, actually. What is
There you go. What is that, guys?
Look what Santa brought.
Did Santa come?
Oh.
Look at all that stuff.
That is all for you. Are you a big boy?
Happy birthday, Merry Christmas, baby!
Yay, Cindy! Yay!
Yay, Sissy! Say yay!
Oh. You like your chairs?
There you go.
Yeah.
Grandma and Boom Pow like this.
Those are from Grandma and Boopa. Here, you want to sit? We'll sit and then we'll wave and we'll say hi. Look at Sissy in her big chair. Are you a big girl? Yeah.
Yeah!
Come here.
Big girl.
You want to get in yours?
Whoa, that big boy.
Mason, you're not real sturdy, are you? Here we go.
Mason's like, I want to see what's going on, though.
You're okay. It's just a seat. Okay, we tried. Mason's not liking it.
Mason's not liking it. That's all right.
That's our Macy, though.
He'll like it later.
He'll like it later. Oh, you just want to touch the tree.
I've been wanting to touch this tree for a month now.
I know. Can you wave at Daddy and say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Daddy, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Sissy.
Go kiss.
Bye-bye, Mace.
Good toys.
All right. Baby's first Christmas. Take one. Yay!
Oh, no!
Well, not yet. I'm getting Mama's butt.
No.
I moved it. You gotta turn around.
No, seriously, that's done. Cut.
No? That's what's funny now.